Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your AccountNow Prepaid Card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new AccountNow Prepaid Card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official AccountNow activation website at accountnow.com/activate or log in to your AccountNow online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number along with the requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the customer service number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details and any required personal information. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during your phone call. Your AccountNow Prepaid Card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. To manage your card efficiently, set up your AccountNow online account and mobile app. This allows you to monitor transactions, reload funds, pay bills, and manage your balance easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.